Welcome to D for DevOps. In this video we will learn about the basics of DevOps. So let's jump into it. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development and IT operations to improve the speed and quality of software delivery. It is an approach that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and automation in order to increase efficiency and reduce the time it takes to bring new products and features to market. One of the key principles of DevOps is the use of automation tools to manage the various stages of the software development lifecycle, from development and testing to deployment and maintenance. This includes tools for continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment, which allow developers to automatically build, test, and deploy new code changes as soon as they are committed to the code repository. Another important aspect of DevOps is the emphasis on communication and collaboration between development and operations teams. This is often achieved through the use of agile methodologies, such as Scrum or Kanban, which encourage cross-functional teams to work together in order to deliver software quickly and efficiently. DevOps also places a strong emphasis on monitoring and metrics in order to track the performance and reliability of software systems. This can include monitoring tools for system performance, application performance, and user behavior, as well as metrics for measuring the availability, scalability, and security of the software. Overall, DevOps is a powerful approach to software development and IT operations that can help organizations to deliver software faster and more reliably. By automating processes, encouraging collaboration and communication, and monitoring performance and metrics, organizations can improve the speed and quality of software delivery and stay competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. The following are some of the key steps involved in the DevOps process. 1. Planning. This is the initial stage of the DevOps process, where the goals and requirements of the software project are defined. This includes creating a product backlog, a list of user stories, and identifying the necessary resources and timelines. 2. Code development. Once the planning stage is complete, the development team can begin writing code. This includes implementing new features, fixing bugs, and writing unit tests. 3. Version control. As code is developed, it is important to keep track of changes and ensure that the codebase is consistent. This is done through version control systems, such as Git, which allow developers to track changes and collaborate on code. 4. Continuous integration. With continuous integration, the code is automatically built, tested, and packaged as soon as it is committed to the code repository. This helps to catch errors early in the development process, and ensure that the code is stable and ready for deployment. 5. Continuous delivery. Continuous delivery allows for the automatic deployment of code changes to test and staging environments, allowing for testing and validation before moving on to production deployment. 6. Continuous deployment. Continuous deployment is the final stage of the DevOps process, where code changes are automatically deployed to production environments, making them available to users. 7. Monitoring and feedback. DevOps approach also includes monitoring the performance and reliability of software systems. This includes tools for tracking system performance, application performance, and user behavior, as well as metrics for measuring availability, scalability, and security of the software. 8. Continuous improvement. Continuously monitor the feedback and improve the software based on the data collected. This helps to identify and fix issues and improve the overall performance and reliability of the software. These steps are iterative and often overlap, as each step builds on the previous one. The key to success in DevOps is to automate as much of the process as possible, while also fostering communication and collaboration between development and operations teams. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.